Hello guys, welcome into the another trade breakdown video. Today is 4th February 2025. It was Tuesday, the New York session, and this trade I took based on the, as always, RRC entry model, which is my main entry model. I'm showing the trades every day on my X profile. You can see I post today trade also. I took it on my top step accounts. On NinjaTrader, which I have some accounts through the Rhythmic, and also on the TradeAway on my groups. And yeah, that's it. Let's go to break down the trade, the bias, and all the important stuff you need to know to develop your skills. If you don't know what is the RRC entry model, in the right corner of the video is the link which sends you to the video where I'm explaining to the details the RRC strategy, RRC entry model. I go through each step. If the link doesn't work, just go on my YouTube channel and find the first video I ever upload. That video is strategy breakdown, where I'm going through the details of RRC. I am explaining top candle and RRC. Okay, we can start with the bias. Okay, why I was bearish. It's very similar like yesterday. Look, this is Tuesday, here is the Monday, and look, Monday around 16 in the my time zone. Okay, this is New York time, this is New York session. I am UTC +1. It is around 16 between 17. We see pump up and then just consolidation, and we took yesterday totally exactly same trade base like today. Look, 16, around 16 we got fast move up without red candles, and then start consolidation. Okay, I'm going to delete this, that will be not messy. And now we start ranging the same like yesterday. Okay, this here was not yet confirmed range, but after we sweep this high, go down here, and was not able to make bearish structure shift and close below, we know maybe we start ranging. Okay, this was kind of like slow uptrend, but without the energy. You see bearish wicks here, also very strong bearish wick, and we sweep this high, this high, this high. Okay, but we don't sweep any lows yet. This was all here, and this high got swept as a last. Okay, and source of this high, this high which sweep this last high. Okay, source of the movement is this low. This is the lowest low between this high which got swept and this new high. Then this is my first target, like I want to see price come down here. If I got valid RRC entry, without RRC entry, without the confirmation, without the point of interest, it's not valid. Okay, I can be wrong and price can just continue up. That's why we have rules, that's why we have checklist. And now we sweep this to this high. Okay, and this is the source. Sorry for my English, it's not my native language, and there can be some mistakes and misspellings. This is the swing high, got swap, and this is the origin of that move. Now we expect price to come here. We can see, as I mentioned yesterday, order blocks. Okay, here I didn't take short because it was not so clean yet, not so valid. I was waiting for some bearish confluences, bearish point of interest, not just swing high, because this was also got swept, but we got nice reaction. But I just waited for more confluences. As we know, market in the February in this week is really crazy. And I mentioned also yesterday I was waiting for 15 and 5-minute confluence together. You can see it in my previous video. Okay, we got bearish order block. What is order block in my opinion, in my point of view? When you have swing high, the highest candle is an order block for me only when the another candle after this candle close body below it, and the best is when it's exactly the next candle. This candle close body below it and validate, confirm. this order block, okay? This is our order block zone. If this is on 5 minutes, yes, we can see here we had before the bullish fair value gap, which now failed, okay? Then this is also now turning from support into a resistance, as we know. And we got also the bearish fair value gap in the same zone as is the order block and failed bullish fair value gap, which is 3 confluences, 3 points of interest in the same area to push down the price. That's why I was so sure. I have my next target where price should go if we are arranging. If I am wrong and we are bullish, as it look also a little bit bullish but without volume, then price will just sweep this or maybe sweep this also and go up, or sweep this or go up straight from this bullish fair value gap. But we can see strong confirmation, down, strong candle down, confirmation of order block. And if you switch to 15 minutes, you have the same candle, 15-minute order block, okay? Swing high, candle, close body below of the next candle, confirm our order block. Then we have 15 minutes order block, the same level like 5 minutes order block, the same level like bearish fair value gap on 5 minutes, and our bullish fair value gap, which should pump price up, failed, and failed really hard. We closed way below it, okay? And now I still keep bullish, even if we sweep this low. I'm still bearish, because of the reason I explained here. This is my target. After this one, we can look for longs, okay? But this was my moment. This was why I was looking for the shorts. Now drop to the 30 seconds, and here is the point of interest. And I was using this together around, and I wait for the order block tap and also this bearish bullish fair value gap which fail, and I use that as my point of interest, okay, which is here all together. Then this was for me the top candle. This was for me the top candle, and as we know, RRC candle is one candle before it, and that's this one. Okay, this is the RRC candle. Now, I mentioned a lot of time I don't like wicks against our direction, and here we got a lot of wicks, okay? But we can see on 1 minute we have the same scenario like we have on 5 minutes, but this is a bullish scenario. But as we know, higher time frame are more important. Now we just keep looking and see who win, okay? If we now smash through this and close body above it, I will not look for shorts anymore, because I can see, okay, we keep ranging or we keep bullish, and this strong candles set the bias and we start the buy program. But we can see we was ranging between the two, and then we got candle close below RRC, which RRC, as you know, is the volume candle which tap our point of interest. And after this you can enter short, straight market in, put your stop loss about the swing high or about point of interest, and or you can put your entry limit on the RRC, but here is not huge difference, okay? Then go straight market in, and my take profit is, you know, 90% of the time is 1.5 R, okay? And now it was the same. It was close to this liquidity. Then this was like 1.5 R, and if I am doing some challenge currently or something, I will keep it to this original 5-minute time frame target, which will be almost 3 R. But on my funded accounts I go really base, it's 1.5 R fix, sometimes 2 R when my stop loss is really small and I see the price can make easily the 2 R move. But now, as I say, we are consolidating, ranging, then we cannot be sure about big movement, and when the big movement will happen, it will escape the range and it will be huge movement, okay? Always it will be huge movement, but we don't know if it will be up, yes, or it will be huge move down. Then we just go for our base hits, and that's securing the profits. We can make market entry in as I said, and then just look how it play out. After we sweep this low here, I move my stop loss. As you know, I'm really strict about the stop losses. I try to take base hits profits like small, take profits 1.5 R, as I say maximum 2 R, and I'm moving my stop loss when I see something can go against me, or there was just sweep of this low, a rejection wick and bullish candle without bearish wick. I reduce my stop loss above this swing high inside the stop loss zone, because on the break even it looks so dangerous to me. And I just put it behind this swing high, and then we continue go down, and look, under swing low taken and nice reaction because of the ranging market. And you can see we go through, we smashed through that low, which was our like higher time frame target. Then this was today trade breakdown. I hope you like also the bias explanation and how I'm looking at the direction. You can see I never go to 4 hours daily, weekly, 1 hour. Yeah, I'm using these time frames mostly on the crypto, on the stuff when I'm investing. But for the trading, the prop firm accounts and the futures, I am using maximum 15 minutes. When it's push candle setup, which I explain only in my private Discord group, then I'm using 1 hour point of interest, okay? But normally I'm using only 15 and 5 minutes time frame as my higher time frame, and 30 seconds as my lower time frame. And you can see it works really, really beautiful. This is the higher time frame. Guys in the Discord took exactly the same trade. Okay, here is the rich. He's really the crazy guy, crazy scalper. But Amo, you can see often I post him. He took a lot of time, the same trade like me, without me giving him some signal or some shit. He's doing it by himself. Like a lot of guys in the Discord, they are able to take exactly the same trade like me, without me giving them some signals or predictions. Okay, that's how simple the RRC model is. All you need to trade RRC model, you can learn on my YouTube channel. Okay, if the reason to join the group is only the great community, like you have around 50 traders, 60 traders who all trade only RRC model. You can post your charts there. The guys post the charts. You can correct yourself, giving some advices. Everybody trades some years and they have some experience, extra tips which can help you with indicators, with volume, with a lot of stuff. Even I found a lot of value from the advices from these guys, from the tips, from the experience everybody have, because everybody trade before something different. Then that's the really big plus. And second stuff is, in the private Discord group, I'm explaining also in the videos. There is videos courses where I'm explaining the extra confluences and details about RRC, the best time of the day to pick the RRC trade, because as you can see on my Twitter also, I'm taking only one trade a day every time. Okay, every time I go for one trade a day. It's 30 seconds time frame. You have like 10, maybe 20 opportunity per day. I am waiting for the best one and I choose the best one and take only the one per day, and it allow me to keep my win rate around 85-90%. In last week or more, I think I have 100% win rate on Tradify, just because I go one trade per day and I'm picking the best trade of the day. Then that's also something I explain in the private group, in the videos, how to choose the best time of the day, the best point of interest, and the confluences, extra confluences, which I not show on the YouTube, because that's something you can find by yourself if you backtest enough this strategy and journal just the RRC model. Okay, higher time frame, point of interest, top candle, and RRC. Just make journaling, write the best time of the day when the trade play out, and from the journal you will get data, and you will find out, okay, I got best trades, I don't know, Monday London session, Thursday it's New York session, yes, and you can get data and increase your win rate crazy way. Okay, I increased my win rate with RRC. Last year I was jumping around 55% on the beginning of the year, and now I am on 85-90% just because of small details, small confluences. Okay, and that's how much important the journaling is, and the backtesting, making notes of the time of the day, events in the calendar, and a lot of important stuff. And that's all from me. I hope you like this. And if you have any questions, just leave the comment in the video description. You can find the link to my Twitter profile, my X profile. Also here on the below the video, on the bottom of the video is my Twitter tag. You can find me. If you have any questions, just write me DM, ask me in the comments below the trade. I post my trades every day, or ask here on the YouTube. Take care, guys, and have a good night. Bye.